welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing an unboxing today, and I'm kind of really excited because little by little all of these products became available, so I kind of had to order them in little chunks here and there. So let's get started. Yeah, I went ahead and I opened the boxes already, but I have not looked inside. I'm pretty sure I have a good idea of what's in all of them. Oh, but I'm not entirely sure. In case you're not familiar, these are all from Colourpop, and this is a brand I have slowly fallen in love with, and I'm so glad I was able to get so many things from them. My credit card, not so happy, but I'm very happy. So we're gonna go ahead and open all these things today and just go over what I got. Should be fun. Let's put these down. I'm gonna put these back on. Okay. First box. This is actually the lightest out of all of them, so we'll start with this one. Again, I already opened, well, not opened, but you know what I mean. Cute. Recycle Me, and I always do. I like to keep these boxes because I always find something to put in them and give to somebody, whether it's like a gift or I'm just taking something over to someone and it's a lot of little things. It all seems to fit in here pretty well, so that's good. As always, the inside of the box is very cute and packaged really well. I have my mailer for what I got. And it always comes with this cute little card, and it says spring on. How adorable is that? And then of course on the back it says Colourpop. I've kept a couple of these just because they look so adorable, and I'll place them different places, but I like them. I think they're cute. And yay! This one I was looking out for a while. That's it. That's all that's in the box. But this is their Just a Tint Lip Crayon Vault, and it has all of these colors in there. And how neat is that? It even has them on the back. This is like so super neat. Which one did I get? I think it was a Go-Go, because I knew I had one of them in here. It says them all. It says Pop Quiz, Give Me S'more, City of Stars, Big Time, Just Because, a Go-Go, No Brainer, and Chubby Bunny. So I'm excited for these, and this packaging is so cute. Look, you have like the little thing and you can pull it over. Oh my God! Of course I'm gonna open it now, but look. This is precious. I don't know if you have never tried any of these before, but they are amazing. They feel like chapstick, but they have color to them, and it is amazing. It's so smooth and so soft, and when you put it on your lips, it gives it not like a full color, but it's pretty sheer, but it's very, very nice on the lips, I think. Anyway, that's why I went ahead and bought all of these. Otherwise, I was going to buy all of the individual ones, which I believe added up to more than what this is. So I'm glad I was able to get my hands on this, because as of late, a lot of their stuff has been coming in and out of stock. So I snagged this just in time. So yay, got this. On to my next box. Oh. Also, I should do something with those boxes. Made in LA, Fragile. This one was actually like taped shut a few times, you can see, because it's like popping open here. But look at how cute. Oh. Packing thing. And then another card. Oh, this one says Hello Sunshine. Their stuff is always just so cute. Okay, so this is the inside of the box, and this kind of explains why it was hard to close. Finding space to put stuff down. The top of this, excuse me, the first box I should say, is the Pretty Fresh Prime and Set kit. I again was able to snag this while it was in stock, and I believe, oh, this is pull here for what? Just, I don't know. Oh, okay, I get it. So right here on the outside of the box, it says pull here, and I didn't quite understand why, but when you open this up, you have the mist on this side, and then you have the little sponge right here, and this is pull up so you can pull it out. How cute. I totally forgot. Okay, and then underneath it right here you have the, I guess it's the other mist. I think this is the prime. Anyway, look how cute this little sponge is, and it's like super soft too. I'm digging this. I was worried I wasn't like, because I didn't buy the little sponge set, because I thought that was a bit excessive and I didn't know if I'd like them all, like some of them, so I didn't even bother. But I totally forgot this came with a little sponge, and oh my god, it says right here on the back too. Comes with the blending sponge, the hydrating hyaluronic primer, and the hydrating hyaluronic setting mist. Boom, we got it all. So I'm gonna pop this guy down here, and oh, okay, it's like a different color. We have like the little, what do you call these? Frosted. You have like the little frosted color container that this is in, and it is actually pink. Like, I don't know if you can see the little bubble going around there, but this is pink. So I wonder how that's gonna look on my face. And this is the primer. I'm gonna shake this as well, just because it's all kind of been sitting here for a while waiting for me to open it. The hydrating hyaluronic acid primer. Dang, son. So this, also this, all in this cute little box. I am just preparing myself for success here. Okay. I know it was a while, so I didn't really remember what I had purchased. I just knew I had purchased quite a few things over about a month and a half, so this was part of it. Like this very much. This one, oh my god, I'm very happy for this. This is the LIPPIE pencils. I don't know how well you can see it, but okay, the big box of LIPPIE pencils, and there are 40 in here. 40, 4D, not 4D, but 4TDD, 40. Okay, I just want to open it, see what it looks like inside. I know you can open it from right here, but it looks like it's going to be easier to open here. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Just as a cute little sneak peek. Damn. Okay, okay, anyway, this is the inside of the box. There are 40 lippy sticks up in here, and I love them. I think I was just like going out of Ulta one day, decided to pick one up and use it with just like the little just to tint lippy sticks, and I fell in love. But I am so excited for these because I believe I got more to go with them. Anyway, I'm excited for these. So excited. I don't know if you can tell by the way I'm acting, but yes, stoked. And that is the box. So I'm gonna put this down with the other box and move on to the big guy here. It doesn't actually say Colourpop or anything. So this one isn't very color poppy, but I mean, still pretty big, still pretty nice. Ooh, technically. Oh, look how cute! It says "Sun's out, buns out." Isn't that adorable? Colourpop, duh! So excited. And okay, I'm gonna put this down because, as you can see, I got a few different things in here. I don't really have room because this is a giant box and I don't clean my desk off, but let's do this. So the number one thing I'm excited about, and this goes with my LIPPIE pencils, this is the big box of LIPPIE sticks. 48 in this box. Oh my god, I'm gonna open it. Ah, look at them all. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Look at how wonderful this all is. Oh my god, and I love these. I love the texture, the creaminess of it. It's amazing. 48 count. And you know they're staying in here. This is cute. Your Lippy, but better, from Colourpop. Yes. And it has a whole bunch of different ones in here. Of course, you have like a ton of colors. This isn't all of them, by the way. They have more. I checked. They have more. But it's a good collection to have. God, look at this. Matte, 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 cream, matte and matte X, cream, matte, satin, cream, matte, and matte X. I'm gonna actually have to look up what the matte X is because I'm not too familiar, but oh my gosh. I don't know if I have any of these. Okay, I do. I have Casanova. I have not used it yet. I also have Cherry Bomb, which I love. I think I have Day Trip as well. I love that they sticker them all. But yeah, I'm excited to start using them all. They have so many different shades. You got the lights, nudes, pinks, reds, and then all the way up to your darker colors here for me, which is wonderful. I am excited. Mostly for this. But everything else is great too. You know what I mean? It's just, it's great. What? I don't have favorites. I don't play favorites. Yeah, I do. This one, I think I remember what this is. This was in my cart actually when this became available. And this I've been trying to get for months now, since I want to say, so I think I've been trying to get this for about 4 months now. And this just happened to be in my cart when that became available, and I didn't want to sit on it and wait. So I added to cart, bought, done right away, and this happened to be in there, which I don't know if you're gonna say like, oh no, that's bad, or this is good. In my case, yeah, it was bad because it was something that I didn't necessarily need, but at the same time, I kind of did. Look at this. Oh, we're so soft. Beautiful. Look at the brush set that I got. This is much, much nicer for traveling. For anything really. Look at how darling this is. Can you see? Can you really see that well though? Look at how darling this is. I want to try them all. Oh. They have their own cute little pockets. They have their own little shields. Oh my god. And then at the end of the day, I just flip this over, fold it down, wrap this around, and we're good to go. So I think this is going to come in handy a lot. Kind of because I needed more brushes, and kind of because I really need stuff to travel with, so this will be really great. Oh, I got a few more things actually. So this is the No Filter foundation. It is their liquid foundation. I don't believe this is a new one. I think they came out with a newer one, so this will be the older one, but the first one I'm actually going to get to try. So this is pretty neat, and it is in the shade Light 75. But look how nice. I'm gonna just put this here so it doesn't fall. Light 75. And I was kind of iffy on picking my shade, but I think this should be pretty close. Oh, look how cute. Okay, yeah, that looks, I know that's so weird to like look at a bottle and be like, that's me. But yeah, this is me. Look at this. This is me in a bottle. But yeah, very nice, very cute. And it comes with a pump. So that's good. I'm gonna need to try that out. Very nice. And hold on, there's more. This one is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer, which is gonna come in handy for these things I have going on under my eyes. Apparently you need sleep to help your skin stay nice. And I got this in the shade Fair 20 in because I'm neutral. I got that yellow pink in between. Okay, not bad. Look at this. This should be pretty good. I'm a little worried it's going to be a bit too light, but I've said that about concealers before, and it actually just brightens really well. And if it's too bright, I can always put it under my foundation. So one way or another, we're going to make this work. And I think this is actually really nice. I've heard fantastic things about their concealer, so I really want to give it a try. Pretty much everything I bought, I want to give a try, or I absolutely love. And I had to have more of. And finally, we got this little fellow, which actually I do not think was in the brush set that I just got, but this is their little Kabuki brush or flat top brush. Cute. Anyway, empty box. That was it for my kind of mini Colourpop haul. All the things I ended up purchasing. The big thing I'm excited about was my lippy sticks. These I was looking forward to for a long time. I love them. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me while I opened everything up. We're gonna have to do a try-on video like ASAP, and I'll put that up as well. But anyway, thanks for hanging out. We'll meet back here, when do we do this? Thursday, Sunday. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have anything from Colourpop that you absolutely adore, or if you have one of the lippy sticks that is your favorite shade, let me know, because I'm about to go on a journey to find my favorite shade, and it's gonna get wild. Yeah, but anyway, thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!